Hello everyone. I've just got back from the airport. Richard's gone back to Ireland for a couple of days. I saw his plane go over. What was that song Celine Dion sang? I watched your plane out of sight. I love Celine Dion. I love Celine Dion. I'm forever singing with my hairbrush. So my plan is, while he's away, lots of videos. I'm going to try to catch up. Do you like my painting? Not me, I didn't do it. Oh, I fell in love with it, and it was in a sale. I need to put it up somewhere. We've got these beautiful tourmaline beads, and they're 8mm. So I'm going to do a lovely bracelet with that, with the double thread method. These, I absolutely love these. They are Persian Jade. Never had them before. Oh, that's a burn. I burnt my arm on the cooking. See, no good comes of cooking. So they're Persian Jade, they're 8mm. So I'm going to do a bracelet with them. Now I bought them in because I like to see, because some things you see online and when they come, they look awful. But the actual colours in these, can you see? Gosh, that, can you see? They're gorgeous, they are beautiful. So that is Persian Jade, they're 8mm. I believe you pronounce it Angel Light. These are beautiful. These are beautiful. Can you see the colours in those? These are 6mm, so I'm thinking about earrings. I'm thinking earrings, maybe a ring, earrings. I'm not going to do anything with them today. But they're beautiful. I really do like those. I really do like those. If you're new to my channel, my name is Claire and I do jewelry tutorials for complete jewelry beginners. I have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, which I'll link for you. And if I stock the products that I use, I do actually put a link. I do put a link in. I was hoping to tell you what my watch hours are. I didn't take, I'm on my phone now. I didn't take a, I think it's 3,600 and something. Maybe 3,660, something like that. So for those of you that are going back, watching my playlist, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Some of you go out of your way to help me and I really appreciate it. My eyes look funny. My eyes look funny, don't they? Oh, so I plan to do lots of videos. So you may get fed up of me, but I'm trying to catch up with YouTube. YouTube doesn't like it when you're not consistent. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. I've got so many tutorials ideal for the complete jewelry beginner. So let me show you what I'm going to be using. So I've got my ruler. I've got my bead. Oh, do you like this one? I made myself a bracelet. Chakra. Okay, we got the bead and needle, the tiny little hook on the end. Oh, it's going to make a... I've got my snips, hair not wanted, and I've got some 0.6 elastic. Right, so we're going to do the tourmaline. First of all, those, aren't they lovely? I'm going to do a 7-inch bracelet times 2, so we're going to do a 7-inch, so we're doubling it, so 14. Let's just do, for tie, we'll do 20 inches. Now this is a 14-inch ruler that I'm using. Okay. Now I'm going to give it a good stretch. Pop a bead clip on the end. Thread the needle. Now well, you don't have to thread it, you just hook it on. And I'll let you know how many beads I've used at the end. And we just start threading away. So I do hope you're all well and having a lovely day. Today it's a Wednesday, so we're halfway through, nearly Friday. And I hope you've had a lovely week. I've seen some videos, some people have gone away on holiday. Lucky people. I wish I could fit in your suitcase. I've been trying to save a fish, and it is actually a lot better. Oh, I thought they wasn't going to go over then. I was getting a bit worried. But they usually do. I seem to have more pink than anything, but it's fine. I'll just put them on. We'll just pop them on. I could do with putting my glasses on. Where's my glasses? There they are. I'm usually saying where are my glasses and they're on my head. So that's all it looks like. Tourmaline. Beautiful, aren't they? Not sure if I said, so I'm going to do a 7-inch bracelet, which is the average bracelet size. If you've got a larger wrist like me, then make an 8. I would make an 8-inch for me. I personally like an 8-inch. Oh gosh, that sounds a bit, oh gosh, that sounds a bit. Oh, do you know, people could play back my videos and really make a funny one. That'll get my wash hours up, wouldn't it? So yeah, I'm trying to get my watch hours up to get monetized. And if you are new, because I know we've got lots of new people. I've got a small animal rescue and I'm doing my best to try and get monetized. Not that it's lots of money or anything, but you know, it all helps. There's lots of pink. I think that is going to be I think that will be 7 inches. Yes. So what I'm going to do is go back around all the beads and I will speed this up. That's what it looks like. These are what we've done twice, and then we just have to go through these. For those of you that are wondering how the fish is, I'm saying he, I'm not sure. It is better. It's obviously it's still going upside down with the swim bladder, but it's spending more time on its side now and it's a lot more livelier. Okay, so we've gone all the way around. So I'm going to remove the needle and the bead clip, and I need to make this more level, so I'm just going to pull this end. So make sure that there's no gaps. We've got the 2 strands, so there's 2 strands threaded through, and what I'm going to do, we're going to do a normal overhand knot. it's almost like you've got the triangle. And then I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to put it underneath, pull it through to pick up that strand, so all the strands are together. So I go around. And that's all the strands on there now. So I'm going to go around twice. And I'm going to do 2 the other way. And then I've pulled the knot just through the bead, and that's one bracelet done. Let me just get my stand. Let's pop that one. Let's pop that one on here. And we'll take the Persian Jade, and we're going to do exactly the same. I do like these. I have ordered some different ones again. I can't remember what they are. I've got so many things on my mind. So many things I'm trying to remember. I honestly can't remember, but I think there are some lovely greens and some lovely blues. Lapis lazuli was one. Just remembered. I think I have some green dragon vein beads as well coming. So here are those beads. Aren't they beautiful? I'm going to measure 20 inches and I'll come back to you all ready. Okay, we've got the bead clip on the end and we'll start threading the beads. I was going to tell you how many beads I used. Let me just tell you. Bracelet. So I used 22 beads on a 7-inch bracelet. These are lovely. It's a beautiful day here in Bristol, UK. Which part of the world are you from? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know where you're all from. And what's the weather like for you today? Doesn't matter if you watch this video weeks or months down the line. Let me know what the weather's like in your part of the world. Okay, so we've got 7 inches. Oh, what am I doing? So again, we're going to go all the way around all the beads. take this off. We take the needle off. We need to move these down. So just like before, we do a hand over, simple knot, and pull together. Then we're going to go around, pick up the other loop and bring those together. Then we're going to do a surgeon's knot, so I'm going to go over twice, pull, and two the other way. There we go. Snip those off. Pull the knot through, and there's that one. So there we have Tourmaline and Persian Jade, 2 7-inch gemstone bracelets. So I hope you find that useful. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. If you can leave a comment down below, it would be most appreciated. It doesn't even have to be a comment, you can just use emojis. It just helps the YouTube algorithm share my videos out to more people. So thank you so much for watching. Take care and happy crafting.